don't think I'm alone when I say that I want my family to be healthy. Am I right? Look at what they're up against. So short of sending them out into the world like this every day, what do? But I found something better than the bubble wrap. Essential oils. Essential oils have been used in traditional health practices since, well, historically, pretty much forever. And no, they're not the cure-all for everything, but I use them for my family because they're natural and safe. Now I know, we all love a good bargain, and sometimes we hit the jackpot. Whoa, that's a good deal on toilet paper. Go grab a few of those from me, will you, champ? But there are times where cheaper doesn't automatically mean better. There's also that old adage, you get what you pay for. And when it comes to your family's health, the last thing that you want to do is cut corners. Frankincense, more like feet.
Mom, look at this one.
Gross. So when someone hands you an essential oil, the origin of where that oil came from, in addition to the quality, it's kind of a big deal. Excuse me? Where did this oil come from?
I pulled it from aisle 5, our happy, healthy section. You're pretty.
You want milk and eggs? You go to the grocery store. For essential oils, I go to doTERRA. doTERRA's sourcing of oils is uncompromised. They partner with farmers and distillers across the globe to harvest and produce the highest quality oils in the world. On top of that, each oil is third-party tested for purity and potency. That ensures that they're both safe and effective. Oils can be used for cooking and cleaning. You gotta stop licking everything, dude. You can diffuse them to eliminate odors. Laundry, now. Or to uplift the mood.
Mom, I'm hungry.
You can even use them to help stay asleep. Oh, good night, buddy. Go to sleep. Good boy. Oils can be used topically on the skin for a wide range of benefits. Some oils can even be taken internally. In fact, doTERRA has over 50 essential oils like lemon, peppermint, and frankincense. Chloe, I'm trying to do a graphic here. And over 20 proprietary blends designed for specific benefits.
Bye, Mom.
Stop.
Thanks, Mom.
It's not easy keeping these little circus animals alive, but doTERRA helps to ensure that I'm doing it the best and safest way possible. In fact, doTERRA pretty much has an oil for everything.
Mom, Ethan tried to jump the dog on his skateboard. I think he broke his leg.
What? Go grab my keys. They don't have an oil for that. We'll be right back.
Where's Harvey?